Hello everyone, welcome to Han Virtual Academy. In this video, we are going to share general knowledge about the world in the form of multiple choice questions. Answer to each question will be further elaborated and explained in detail to have a better insight. Question number 1. Which planet is called winter planet? So the winter planet is basically Jupiter. Jupiter is a fifth planet from the Sun. It is a gas giant and by far the largest planet in our solar system, having more mass than all other planets combined. Its average temperature is very low and around minus 148 degree centigrade. Question number 2. Stupa is the sacred place of Buddhism. The stupa is Sanskrit for heap and an important form of Buddhist architecture. Though it predates Buddhism, it is generally considered to be a sepulchral monument, a place of burial, or a receptacle for religious objects. Simply, a stupa is a dirt burial mound faced with stone. Question number 3. UAE is the federation of 7 states. In December 1971, the UAE became a federation of 6 emirates: Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwain, and Fujairah, while the seventh emirate, Ras Al Khaimah, joined the federation in 1972. The capital city is Abu Dhabi, located in the largest and wealthiest of the 7 emirates. Question number 4. Softball was invented by George Hancock. Softball began in 1887 when George Hancock, a reporter for the Chicago Board of Trade, invented indoor baseball. By the spring of 1888, the game had spread outdoors. It was originally called mushball, kittenball, or indoor baseball, but by the 1920s it had acquired the name of softball. Question number 5. Currency of Ukraine is hryvnia. The currency in Ukraine is called the hryvnia, which is abbreviated as UAH. The hryvnia has been the national currency of Ukraine since 1996. Question number 6. An official passport was issued to a dead body for the transfer to France in 1974. It was of the mummy of Ramesses II. In 1974, when the mummy of Ramesses II, that died in 1213 BC, had to be flown to Paris for restoration, it was issued a valid Egyptian passport including a photo of the pharaoh's ancient face. His occupation was listed as King the Deceased. Question number 7. The world's biggest graveyard is located in Iraq. Wadi al-Salam, translated as Valley of Peace, in the city of Najaf, Iraq, is the world's biggest cemetery with more than 5 million people buried there. Question number 8. First COP was held in March 1995 in Berlin, Germany. COP is an abbreviation for Conference of the Parties. It is a series of United Nations climate change conferences which have been running since 1995. Question number 9. Perejil Island dispute is in between Spain and Morocco. Perejil Island, also known as Parsley Island, is a small, uninhabited, rocky islet located off the coast of Morocco, just 200 meters, that is 660 feet, from the mainland coast. Its sovereignty is disputed between Spain and Morocco. Question number 10. World's oldest desert is Namib Desert. The Namib Desert is believed to be the world's oldest desert and it has been arid for at least 55 million years, stretched across 1200 miles approximately. The Namib Desert spans part of the west coast of southern Africa. It touches part of the countries of Angola, Namibia, and South Africa. Question number 11. Gogland Island belongs to which of the following country? It belongs to Russia. It belongs to Russia's Kingiseppsky district in the Leningrad Oblast. Gogland's tourist industry is growing in importance with most tourists coming from St. Petersburg and some from Finland. It is also known as Hogland. Hogland has an area of approximately 21 square kilometers and its highest point is 173 meters, that is around 568 feet. Question number 12. Hispaniola, an island on the Caribbean, is now known as Haiti. Hispaniola, the second largest island of the West Indies, lying within the Greater Antilles in the Caribbean Sea. It is divided politically into the Republic of Haiti, the west, and the Dominican Republic, the east. It has an area of 76,480 square kilometers. Hispaniola is the site of one of the first European settlements in the Americas. Question number 13. Volcano Mount Etna is in Italy. Mount Etna or simply Etna is an active stratovolcano on the east coast of Sicily, Italy, in the metropolitan city of Catania, between the cities of Messina and Catania. The name comes from the Greek etne from etho, meaning I burn. Mount Etna is the highest active volcano in Europe, its topmost elevation being about 10,900 feet and it is around 3,320 meters. Question number 14. The first country to develop banknotes was China. The first known banknote was first developed in China during the Tang and Song dynasties starting in the 7th century. Its roots were in merchant receipts of deposits during the Tang dynasty, as merchants and wholesalers desired to avoid the heavy bulk of copper coinage in large commercial transactions. However, the practice did not become widespread in Europe for nearly 1,000 years. Question number 15. Popular numbers puzzle Sudoku was created by Makikaji. Maki Kaji spotted a number puzzle in an American magazine one day in 1984 when he was on the way home from a horse racing track in his native Japan. He refined the game into what it was called as Sudoku. In Sudoku, players fill in squares set in a 9 by 9 grid subdivided into 9 boxes so that the numbers 1 through 9 appear precisely once in each row, column, and box.